Hi, Auntie.
Hey, Jeremiah, with Jeremiah here. Going to tell us a little bit about the life in Niue.
The life in Niue. It's about the next generation. If my son grows up to have kids of his own in New Zealand and never comes to Niue, then Niue is just a name. So we make a decision to bring our family here, to connect to our family here, and yeah, we'll see where the future takes us. But it's definitely the life.
Yeah. So what made you move to Niue, bro?
Lots of things, really. I can't speak my language. There's a bit of a distance, a disconnect. So yeah, coming here, I'm in search of that. I'm in search of all those things that, to put them back inside myself.
Any advice for people planning to come to Niue, bro, or trying to make the move like what you've done?
I would say, come, experience Niue. If you like the thrill of jumping off cliffs, then Niue is for you. Because it's like a big cliff jump. The life that we left behind to the life that we're living now. I mean, you don't realize until you get here the way we treat food in NZ is way different to how food is, how we eat food now, how we appreciate food. That's just one of the many things that we've discovered here in Niue.
Yeah. Bro, you're talking, your eating habits have changed now since you've been here.
Yeah. We're a lot more appreciative of what we're eating. We're a lot more, what's the word? Aware. So you can definitely see from when you put it in your mouth to preparing it, when you prepare it to when you put it in your mouth, you can see the definite changes that it has, definite effect on your face. Niue is quite physical. Never a moment where you can just have a nice relax. So it's definitely changed our relationship habits to food. So we don't buy processed as much. We make things from scratch. That's a bit of an ordeal sometimes. But it's awesome.
Do you think the life here is easier or harder than living in New Zealand? What's the differences in the life here to the life in New Zealand?
I'd say in New Zealand, you're running at a different speed. And you're part of a system that definitely captivates you. Here in Niue, the freedom is almost, like silence is deafening, the freedom is like, vast. To the point where kind of like you're yelling into a vacuum, that kind of thing. As for direction, sometimes it may be a little bit hard to find that direction. But I think what sums you out for me is perseverance. To persevere, to be who we are. To acknowledge myself, my people, to our people, and to see a side of who I am that I've never seen before. And that only happens from being here in Niue. It's been an amazing kind of like journey. It's the best way I can put it. Just to see my son develop, family develop. In a way that's it's almost like yesteryear kind of living compared to where everybody's going today. Like you go to NZ, it's really impersonal. People are just set about their own tasks. But here, everybody knows you. And you feel like one big family.
Sure. So do you feel like you're moving more Niue culture, or like you've let go a lot of the Niue thinking, New Zealand thinking since you moved over?
I would say it's been a time of letting go. you know when you're on climbing a rock, and Niue is that next hand grip,
Yeah.
and this one feels really comfortable.
Yeah.
And to get that one, you gotta like jump.
Yeah.
That's what I've been experiencing with Niue. Like the experiences are literally like palpable. That you have to make those real uncomfortable leaps. It sometimes feels like you're all on your own until you're not, and then you find out everybody's behind you, just like you're like, why didn't you help me?
Bro, any last words for people that might want to come that they might not expect, when they get here? Like, what to be prepared for when they get here if they're planning to make the move?
I would say whatever preconceived ideas that we have in ourselves. I think having an open heart, love for where you are and where you want to be. Those are the things that help you align your course. To be respectful here is it's another level from what I've understood respect to be in New Zealand. So understanding those little nuances and kind of like moving with them rather than against them, because at the end of the day it all, once you see it, it all kind of builds you up. So I'd say that just with an open heart and don't worry about the story, about the things that people say. Niue is here for your experience and guided by humility, I guess. Good places.
Oh, bro, thanks for the on-the-spot interview. You put on the spot, bro. But I think all the information you've shared, bro, will be helpful for the people thinking of doing what you've done, bro. Yeah, man. Okay, thank you, man. Thanks, Jeremiah, man. We'll probably see you on my top next time.
Yeah, bro.
Yep. Okay, thanks.